Hey future nurses, have you ever pictured yourself working in a place where crystal clear waters meet stunning historical architecture, where the sun shines almost year-round and the culture is as warm as the weather? Well, stop dreaming and start packing, because today we're talking about Malta.
Malta isn't just a vacation hotspot. It's a fantastic place to build a rewarding nursing career. And the best part? It's easier than you think to make the move.
Are you an international nurse dreaming of working in Malta? This guide will show you step by step how to achieve your dream nursing job in this Mediterranean paradise.
So, why Malta? Well, first off, their healthcare system is top-notch. We're talking modern facilities, well-trained staff, and a commitment to providing quality care for everyone. That means you'll be working in a stimulating environment with high standards, which is what we all strive for as healthcare professionals.
Secondly, Malta is a member of the European Union. This is huge because it opens doors to incredible opportunities for international nurses like you. The demand for skilled nurses in Malta is growing rapidly, and with EU membership, the process of relocating and working becomes much smoother. Now, before we dive into the specifics, I want you to take the initiative and start researching job openings. A great place to begin is by checking out government and private hospital websites. For instance, Mater Dei Hospital, the largest hospital in Malta, frequently posts job listings. Another excellent resource is Care Malta, a leading provider of elderly care services. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about the available positions and the specific requirements of each role, the better prepared you'll be throughout this entire process.
Alright, let's talk about what you need to work as a nurse in Malta. Malta maintains high standards in healthcare, so your credentials must be up to par. You'll need a recognized nursing degree from an accredited institution. English proficiency is essential, typically demonstrated through the IELTS exam. Aim for a minimum score of 6.5. Finally, register with Malta's Council for Nurses and Midwives. This ensures you meet the required professional standards. We'll delve deeper into the registration process in the next chapter. To officially practice nursing in Malta, you need to obtain your professional license. This involves applying to the Malta Council for Nurses and Midwives. Don't worry, I'm here to break down the process step by step. First things first, head to the Council's official website. They have a dedicated section for international applicants. You'll find a comprehensive list of required documents, application forms, and detailed instructions. Typically, you'll need to provide verified copies of your academic documents, including your nursing degree and transcripts. Additionally, proof of your work experience is essential. This could be in the form of letters of recommendation from previous employers, detailing your roles and responsibilities. Remember that accuracy is key. Ensure that all your documents are translated into English and properly verified. Any discrepancies or missing information can lead to delays in processing your application. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, you'll need to submit your application along with the required fee. Be prepared. The approval process can take several weeks. Now that you've got the registration process underway, let's talk about finding your dream job in Malta. And for that, my friends, we turn to the experts nursing recruitment agencies. These agencies connect skilled nurses with healthcare facilities in Malta. They streamline the job search, ensuring access to the best opportunities. Here are 3 top agencies you should check out. First, IMS Recruitment. They help healthcare professionals secure positions across Europe, including Malta. They have a vast network and a solid reputation. Next, RCMI Recruitment. They place international nurses in public and private hospitals in Malta. And last, Global Nurse Force. They assist with visa processing, relocation, and transition support. Registering with multiple agencies increases your chances. Be proactive, reach out, and share your career goals. Alright, you've aced your registration, impressed potential employers, and landed a job offer. Congratulations! Now it's time to make it official and secure your work visa. This is your ticket to living and working in beautiful Malta. The process is relatively straightforward. You'll need to apply for your work visa through the Maltese embassy or consulate in your home country. They'll have all the information on the specific documents required, but generally, you'll need your passport. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay, your job offer letter from your Maltese employer, and proof of accommodation in Malta. don't underestimate the importance of meticulously preparing your visa application. Double-check all the requirements, ensure your documents are in order, and be prepared for an interview at the embassy. This step is crucial, so give it the attention it deserves. Fast forward to the exciting part. You've got your visa. It's time to pack your bags, hop on that plane, and start your new adventure in Malta. But before you go, let's talk about making your transition as smooth as possible. Malta is known for its welcoming and friendly environment. You'll find that the people are warm, the culture is vibrant, and the lifestyle is relaxed. However, a little preparation goes a long way. Before you arrive, research the cost of living, explore different neighborhoods, and familiarize yourself with the local transportation system. Many employers in Malta are incredibly supportive of international nurses and may even assist with finding accommodation or provide resources to help you settle in. Don't hesitate to reach out to your employer or your recruitment agency for guidance. And here's a fun tip. Try to learn a few basic Maltese phrases. It doesn't have to be anything complex, but a simple hello or thank you in Maltese can go a long way in breaking the ice and making you feel more at home. There you have it, future nurses of Malta. We've covered everything from understanding the healthcare system to navigating the visa process. Remember, securing your dream nursing career in Malta is a journey. And like any worthwhile journey, it requires careful planning, determination, and the right information. With determination and the right steps, you can secure a fulfilling nursing career in Malta. Start your journey today. Your dream job awaits. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Share it with your fellow aspiring nurses and subscribe to my channel for more career tips and updates.